Welcome. Today, we're unveiling the secrets to crafting the perfect Facebook post. Ever wondered what makes a post truly shine on Facebook? This video is your roadmap to success. Let's explore the essential elements. Element 1. Use official account. Begin by using your official account. Authenticity is crucial for building trust and credibility. Element 2. Make good impression. Make a stellar first impression with compelling visuals and engaging content to capture your audience's attention. Element 3. Use intriguing media. Utilize intriguing media such as videos, GIFs, or infographics to make your post stand out in the feed. Element 4. Focus on main content. Keep your main content clear and concise. Focus on delivering your message effectively to resonate with your audience. Element 5. Apply hashtags and links. Boost post visibility with relevant hashtags and links to related content. Element 6. Response actively. Lastly, don't just post and forget. Stay engaged with your audience by responding promptly to comments and messages. And there you have it, your recipe for crafting the perfect Facebook post. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.